Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Python on Windows 11 with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. So in your browser here, type in Python download, then hit enter. This is the option we want. So click it. Now on this page, click the download button. Now if we click this icon at the top right corner of the screen, you can see our download. Once the download is complete, click it to open it up. Now when this page pops up, click run. Now click these two checkboxes down here. Now you can click install now to begin the default installation, but I'm going to click customize installation. Click next. Now on this page, if you're signed in as an administrator, tick this checkbox up here, then click install. Once the installation is complete, click close. Now to verify the installation, click the Windows icon, then type cmd for command prompt. Hit enter to open this up. Now in this window, type in python space version, then hit enter. As you can see, we've successfully installed Python. Now to write a Python program, just click the Windows icon, then type in IDLE, and then click this option. Here, you can write Python programs. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.